In our previous help video, we talked about the concept of forms and how they are used to manage the control fields that gather data. In this video, we will look closely at how we configure forms and their control fields. Select the admin option from the sidebar. All admin functions are accessible from here. Select the Projects tab to look at how forms are used. If we highlight the Near Miss Reporting project, we can see on the right panel that form, Near Miss Reporting, is being used. This defines the control fields that are used within the project. Let's open the Forms tab and add a new control field to the Near Miss Reporting form. You may have several forms or just one, depending on what type of data you are managing. In this example, we're using a Near Miss Reporting form. Your system is likely to look different to the example. To add a new control field, click the New button from the main menu. The fields in the left column relate to how the control field appears within the form. The right column is controlling how the control field appears on the main list screen. We will call our new control field document reference and use it to store a link to a document management system or a file system. The tooltip is the text that will appear when you hover the mouse over the control field. It is not mandatory but can be helpful. Each form has several tabs that can display data. Let's select Near Miss Report for now. Set the control type to hyperlink to allow us to store a link. Maximum length imposes a limit on the number of characters that can be used for the control field. Sort order allows you to position the control field on the form. Let's pick position 1 for now. Required option will set the field as mandatory. Visible option will define whether the field appears on the form. Show label option will define whether to show or hide the control field name. Default value will be used to set the required value for our hyperlink control field. The right panel controls how the control field appears on the main list screen. Selecting Visible on the left pane exposes the sort order for the main list screen, so let's select 1 for now. Width and alignment allow you to format the appearance of the control field within the main list screen. Visible and Export controls whether the control field appears on the list and in any Excel exports. And finally, Printing controls whether the control field is included in printouts. We will click OK to save the changes we made, and then go to the main list screen to view the form. Our field appears in position 1, as defined in the admin screen. Let's add a new action. Select the New Item option from the top bar. Select the Near Miss Reporting project from the project list. Our new field is listed at the top of the form and is ready for action. Thank you for watching. Please contact us for more information.